Welcome. My name is Margie Sank from margiestamps.com. I'm going to keep talking about the Christmas Countdown Kit. Previously, I did a video of the Great Unveil. Then we did a slideshow showing the stamping and the assembly. Now, the next one is going to be putting this gorgeous, lovely thing together. Now, the kit's on page 38 of the holiday catalogue, and it's $52 in Australia. Talk soon. Bye. Okay, I'm back. What other tips did I think of? I've used Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue because I find it's fantastic to allow slip, and also it's perfect for our Melbourne climate where it can be wet and cold on one day, well, the same day, and it can be hot and dry. So the slip, so you can move it around a bit so you can get things lined up where you want them. Perfect. And then the last one I have to do is 25, and I've got to say I had a catastrophe because I couldn't find 25. I thought I'd lost Christmas Day, but no, it was hiding and it stuck to my polar fleece sleeve, so I was very relieved when I found it. So we're done. They can go, I think they're lined up all right. They can go in the magic box. Tra-la. And we have done. Finito. Lovely. Thank you. Bye for now.